Someone can help you. So go to the seminars, go to the networking meetings, go to some business meetings. Always have business card with yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Always have 5 things to say about yourself.
Mm-hmm.
How you can be beneficial for the other person. And one recommendation: if you are in the seminar, you can just put your hand up.
Mm-hmm.
And have a question. You just stand up, say, for example, I am John,
Mm-hmm.
I am a personal trainer,
Mm-hmm.
and I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
So all people all around in the seminar
Mm-hmm.
know that you are John and you are a personal trainer.
Yeah.
So it's like an advertisement for you as a personality.
Yeah. So also tell me, like, you like have seduced that black girl, which like in Denmark first, and when you send me a photo, like you was really like confident, aggressive, you know. So how you was feeling? Tell me how you was feeling and how that self-confidence which you got shaped and faced your business life. Tell about your emotions. Tell about your emotions. Tell about your emotions.
Like this.
Okay.
It's hard to speak in emotions when you are a guy, but I think I was very calm, and my all excuses are gone out now.
Yeah, you can do everything. Yeah.
If you have an idea that I need to go there, you don't have like a guy from a side that, oh, don't go there, oh, don't.
You will not believe in him.
Like even no minds of this, no thoughts of this.
Yeah.
We just have a idea that I need to approach this girl, and you just go and approach. There is no like other side, you know, angel and demon, you know.
That's what I'm saying, guys. Like when you get laid, and it's very important to bang those girls, because when you feel like a god and you can just go through everything, you will not listen your beta male friends, you know, opinions, because they wanna put you down, because if you change, they will need to change. So they will do everything to avoid your change.
Yeah.
Because you make them uncomfy. If you change, if you're successful with girls, you make them feel uncomfy being with you, so they wanna stop you. So that's why, you know, we blur out all our clients' face, because like we don't wanna that their friends will see, you know, the results, and they just wanna, you know, tell things. We don't need those kind of problems. But the feeling is amazing. Yeah.
And of course, when you feel like this, you can just go to these networking meetings and make really high results.
Yeah.
Because people see that you are very confident, you are like focused, and they want to have business with you.
So tell me about that relationship with that.